You're listening to the Empowered Nation podcast for non-attorney advocates to level up in law. Let's get into it, shall we?
Welcome to Empowered Nation. I'm your host, Anelia Sutton. Let's begin. If you are fighting a case in court and the other side is lying and you want to win, Empowered Nation is for you. Because the fact is that corrupt cops, prosecutors, and judges target people who don't know their rights or are struggling financially. Level up in law and personal finances with Empowered Nation, and you'll never be an easy target again. Sounds good? All right, let's get into it. This episode, I want to talk about how to manage your own case in court, right? Because this is really how you can overcome the violations when it's done by the officials who are supposed to uphold the law, not break them. Ready? Okay, let's jump right in. Number one, here's the thing. You know the details of the case better than anybody else in any courtroom. So write it. It is on you to write it. Turn your notes into a legal brief by pretending that you're speaking to a loved one. Pretend that you're speaking to a good friend who you trust. Just pretend that you're having a regular conversation with someone you know, love, and trust, and then turn that conversation, that mental conversation, into notes, and then you turn those notes into a legal brief by sticking to the facts and the facts alone. So, in a way, yeah, it is like storytelling. Very similar. It's not storytelling, but it is similar to storytelling, okay? Because all you're going to do is go back into your story and you're going to edit it to perfection, right? To just stick to the facts of the case. Because again, I reiterate, you know all of the details about the case. And who knows your case better than you? It's like saying somebody else knows you better than you know yourself. It's not possible. Okay? So come on now. I'm telling you that you got this. All right? So the next tip is knowing the law of your case. I say that a lot, and I will keep saying that until I'm blue in the face because it is so important. And contrary to what the attorneys want you to believe, you don't have to know every law on the books in the United States of America. Wrong. That is a lie. You only need to know the law of your case. You can literally begin searching online with just a few keywords about the issues that are going on in your case. So if the opposing party told a bold-faced lie and you can prove it, then guess what? That's what you type in the search form, and then you just search because you want to find something similar that's going on in another case, that happened in another case, okay? If it was already heard in court, then you can use that as your case law for your case to persuade the judge in your favor, okay? What you do is you're gonna read that case law that you find, and what you wanna look for is any additional laws that they may have used to win in their case, right? Are you starting to see how easy this is for you to manage your own case? I hope so.
Feeling frustrated, lost, and confused with your legal emergency? Get easy steps to protect yourself in plain language at aneliasutton.com/free.
Okay, this is a good one. Here we go. Get ready to take notes. Get ready to take notes because this is an important one because it can literally turn the tide in your favor with this one alone. So get ready to take notes, but only take notes when it is safe for you to do so, for you to pull over and write if you're driving. So be sure to come back and listen to this episode again so that you can take notes. All right, here we go. Here it is. Always, always, always check the court record for your file. I'm telling you, those sneaky devils love to play games with the case file. So don't get caught slipping. Make sure to check the court record for your case file. I can't tell you how many times some attorneys, the people got taken advantage of by the attorney because the attorney filed some rogue random document into the case file. And because it went unchallenged, the innocent woman or man lost their case needlessly. All right. So check your case file at least one time every week to stay on top of things while your case is still open. Okay, let's recap the lessons in this episode. I get so passionate and tongue-tied sometimes because the passion is there. Okay, recap. Number 1, stick to the facts in your legal brief. Okay. Number 2, we talked about the importance of knowing the law of your case. And number 3, check the case file for your case on a weekly basis. That's it for today, and listen to the next episode to discover the number 1 legal tip to beat liars in court. There's no gatekeeping here because I'm telling all of the secrets. Thank you for listening, and be sure to tune in again. And please remember to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, because that's how we become an empowered nation. This is not goodbye. It's bye for now. Take care.
This is thepodcastfactory.com.